Maybe you heard it or even said that I would give a fortune to come out of depression, to feel relieved even for seconds. In this funny lecture, I will offer you a very easy, scientifically based tool to come out of depression, to break the depression health cycle in minutes whenever you need. Just complete to the end of this lecture and see yourself. If I had told anyone 17 years earlier in 1999 that there could exist smartphones and virtual reality devices, no one would have believed me. Everyone would say no, but it's true now. And thanks to science, nearly everyone is enjoying modern technology. Same thing goes to the year 1980. If I had told anyone that there could be a very appealing, very easy to use operating system, home computers and laptops, instead of the huge mainframes with its extremely difficult operating systems, no one would have believed me. But now it's true, and everyone is enjoying such advancements as well. Also, no one could imagine that the uncomfortable, unconditioned first black Ford car will turn to the luxurious, so comfortable conditioned nowadays supercars. What if there is a scientifically based, very easy to use method that can allow you to stop your hell cycle of depression, to stop the black thoughts and so painful emotions, and will help you to come out of depression so easily? What if there was a method that will offer you immediate relief, so you can proceed to beat depression completely? Yes, you are in pain because of depression, and you definitely suffered a lot. So did I, from those agonizing thoughts and very painful emotions. But this method works every time I use it, to come out of depression immediately, then deal and clear every aspect of it in so easy and so efficient way. And you can try it and see for yourself that you can have immediate break of depression by using scientifically baked and very easy way. Let's begin. You may have noticed that depression begins every time with a trigger or several triggers. A specific occasion or a certain person, for example, can start your hell cycle, trigger a flood of dark negative thoughts and killer emotions that slowly start to crawl into your whole being and eventually overwhelm you. Like in your relationship, when your lover comes back from work or after a long day apart from you, you miss him and you really need his help in a matter of yours. But as soon as you start with, "Baby, can you help me with?" he becomes angry and loudly says that he is exhausted and you never seem to understand him and his needs. At this moment as well, a flood of negative thoughts will attack, like, "I knew he doesn't love me, he will abandon me," and the terrible painful emotions soon attack. Or if your boss in work starts yelling at you, so a flood of negative thoughts might attack. You will start panicking about losing your job, how you will be able to pay your bills, and if you will ever be able to find another job. By that time, you would be overwhelmed with panic and terrible painful emotions. We can here identify your boss as a trigger. In all scenarios, there must be a trigger, whether it was a place, person, occasion, or even a thought, or any other hidden thing that acts as a trigger that initiates the depression cycle and the overwhelming painful emotions and dark thoughts. All I want you to do to enjoy coming out of depression health cycle is just name one trigger that gets you in the hell many times in the past Just name one trigger with all of its black thoughts and painful emotions that come to your mind too, and watch carefully the next couple of minutes. Ready? Complete the video to the end. Let's go.
This is food. There's food. What's wrong with Dad's food?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Give those back.
Come on! Come on, go get Mama! Come here!
What is going on?
I bet you loved maybe a little smile or you giggled. You may say this is one time laugh and it will never succeed again. Okay, please focus your mind in one other trigger. Just one. Don't overwhelm your mind with many triggers. Just one more trigger. Ready? Please imagine you are the person in the next video. I know you were depressed, but as you want to relieve yourself, just imagine that you are the person in the next video. Let's go. You're probably wondering what happened here and how can this technique be used to break out of depression anytime. Imagine that your friend has slipped. He or she is about to fall down, but if you hold tightly to their hand, they don't fall. The trigger is similar to slipping. The reaction of falling down happens as a result, and entering depression is a result. But interrupting the reaction, like when you held their hand, stops the regular cycle and can stop depression too. Similarly, your mind is entrapped in a neuronal pathway to interpret a trigger and quickly start with exaggerated negative thoughts, which we will learn how to control in the next lectures, then move on to the painful emotions. But if you stop your mind from going on just by forcing your mind to focus on any accidental, pleasant, thrilling activity or even a scary one, your mind won't continue to the depression cycle because it was severely interrupted. The interesting thing here is if your mind is distracted several times by one of the previous pleasant, thrilling or scary activity after a specific trigger, this trigger will be deactivated, because whenever it hits again, you remember your reaction to the activities you experienced rather than your reaction to the trigger itself. Wow! Now you know a scientifically proven hack that cuts the depression cycle and helps you feel more relieved. Yes, sure, I can help, but you have to follow and apply the very easy steps I give you. Even if these steps are so easy or even weird, please help yourself. Follow cute baby pages on Facebook. Check the hottest jokes pages on Facebook. Watch funny animals or funny babies videos, or maybe even new thrilling videos on YouTube. Mark those pages as see first, so whenever you open your Facebook or YouTube, you have a bunch of pleasant funny distraction that cleans your mind. You now have stopped the hell cycle, and I bet you are relieved even if a little bit, especially because you now know how to stop the depression hell cycle in the future. We are not stopping here. In the rest of the course, you will understand how to discover the evil hidden causes of depression that you never imagined, and destroy every aspect of depression, then find your way to happiness once again. That's why I'll be waiting for you in our next enlightening lecture.